It's Phantom again. As you can tell, I'm in the car again. Another motor vlog, not moto vlog. I've got my wee Sony Handycam mounted up front, just for a nice front view. The reason I'm in the car again is I'm dosed with a cold. I wanted to make a vlog, but as I say, sick as a dog. Anyway, so just on my way home from work, pulling in a late night shift, so I'm going now to get some pizza because I can't be arsed cooking. So we run down to Asda. What's new with me? First of all, we shout out to Quentin Redbeard. Return the favour. He gave me a shout in his last video there. I'm glad you enjoyed the Fireblade video. So got a few messages about it and all. We're asking what mounts you used. There's a roll bar mount for everything. I gotta put my indicator on. I'm too busy talking. And then also 1 million views. Fixing my seat. 1 million views plus on my YouTube account, and I also have a drift back here in the back. See? Hello back there. So got a drift back there. So as you can see, it's now split screen. I did go out earlier on to try to shoot something, and this happened. Yeah, at the start when I first seen that, I thought a bird had hit my screen, but it wasn't. It was actually a bird took off, a magpie, and it had an egg in its claws and it dropped the egg and it hit splat right in the windscreen. So good shot on the magpie's part. Scared the shit out of me, but this road's very busy today. Anyway, so I'm slowing down here. I'm too busy friggin' talking. So what else? YouTube. Getting used to YouTube's new Google Plus shite. The comments only started working for me today. The only reason I've transferred actually over to Google Plus at the minute is to reply to some of the messages, because I can't even reply back in a PM. Some of them, it was blocking me from everything. So I don't know if I'm going to Vimeo. I'm going to see what the other vloggers are doing. I'm not too happy with what YouTube's done. This guy always maintains, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And basically YouTube's took a big dump on their operating system. Listen, Google Plus, you will never be Facebook, no matter what you do. So don't force us to use your fucking shite in the hope that you are the next Facebook, because you won't be. Nobody wants it. And you can +1 that all you and like. Assholes. Anyways, so 1 million views. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do like a wee like competition or a wee giveaway or something, just to say thank you to all the people that have viewed my videos. I don't know what to do as yet, so I'll figure that out when the time comes. If any of you have any ideas. Thanks also to the guys that have messaged me already about the what do you call it? The decal in my last video. My head's like a sieve tonight. can't even remember the usernames. Like I say, I'm just out of work, head's fried. But I'll get a wee link for your channel if I can find you, that is, with this new Google Plus shit. What else? Oh, can't think of anything else. No, that's it. That's it. That's all I can think of right now. So if you do go to Google Plus, make sure to +1 me. Only joking, by the way. Thumb up, hit me a sub, whatever. Catch you guys next time. Till then, take it easy. And next time, hopefully, out on the bike. I promise. See you then.